Hi, I will be helping you today in finding an equation of the line that contains a point and a slope. What is an equation of the line that contains the point 3 and the negative 1 and is perpendicular to the line whose equation is this? In order for you to solve or to find an equation of the line, you need to know two things. The slope, we know the equation of the line, y equals mx plus b. You need to find the slope of the line and the y-intercept. The slope of the new line is perpendicular to this line here. The old slope equals, in this case, y equals mx plus b. Slope is negative 3. Therefore, the new slope equals perpendicular. We know the perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. Negative reciprocal, which means this negative 3, it's over 1. You find the reciprocal of negative 3 over 1, which is 1 over negative 3. But in this case, it's a negative reciprocal. So if the entire fraction is negative, you make it positive. 1/3 is the negative reciprocal of negative 3. And passing through the point 3 and the negative 1. Let me rewrite both of them here. The slope of the new line equals 1/3. And passing through the point 3 and negative 1. Okay. This is x and this is y. You write the equation of the line. Y equals mx plus b. Y is negative 1 equals m, that is 1/3, times x is 3. What we're trying to find now is the y-intercept, the b. Let's solve this linear equation. You have negative 1 equals 1/3 times 3 is 1 plus b. Subtract 1 from both sides. You got negative 2, not 0. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. You lost, or some, I always use this example. Some that you're playing with someone, or you lost $1 in the first game and $1 on the second game. It means this person lost $2 in both games. B equals to negative 2. Therefore, your final equation, y equals m. We just found it. We're going to use the 1/3, not the negative 3. 1/3 x plus, I'm sorry, minus 2, the negative 2. Minus 2. And that is your perpendicular, the equation of the perpendicular line that passing through the point 3 and the negative 1 and perpendicular to this line here. 1/3 x minus 2. It is a choice D. This is one way to solve this problem. Another way, another trick, or another way, just a calculator. There's another way to do it. You go to y equals, you have two different equations here. This one and one of these is the answer. So let's try each one of them and see which one is perpendicular to that one. We're going to graph the first equation, negative 3 plus 2, negative 3x plus 2 in the y1, and make this one bolded line, and this one regular line. Let's graph the first equation, negative 3x plus 8 plus 8, and graph them. First of all, they're parallel, but you gotta be careful. This the window is like a rectangle. It's not, but it's not square. So you're not gonna see the graph accurate. So you're going to zoom square. So in order for you to find everything perfect, you're gonna zoom square. Of course, this one is not working because it's a parallel line. And a quick review, this is negative 3x and this is negative 3x. So like when you have the same slope, that means the lines are parallel. Parallel lines have same slope. Okay, choice B, negative 3x. Of course, choice B is going to be parallel line to this one because they have the same slope. Okay, you're looking for a perpendicular line. Let's try choice C. I'm going to leave the first one as is. Clear that. That is 1 over 3x. And let's graph this. Is it perpendicular? Yes, it is perpendicular, but is it passing through the point 3 and the negative 1? Let's go to the table. We're looking for the second line. We're looking for the second line, not the first y. This is y1 and this is y2. Okay, when x equals to 3, we're not looking for y1, we're looking for y2. y2 equals 1, so that means 3 and positive 1. We need 3 and the negative 1. Let's try the last one, 1 over 3x minus 2. Graph, that's perpendicular to that one. Go to the table. We're looking for when x equals 3, we're looking for the y value, the y2, not the y1. y1 is the first equation or the original equation. When x equals 3, y equals negative 1, and that means the line is passing through this point. So these are two ways to solve it algebraically, and use the graphing calculator by checking all choices. Work well.